We've all been there. You try countless diets, hit the gym religiously, and yet those extra pounds just won't budge. It's enough to make you want to throw in the towel and accept defeat. But before you give up hope, let's consider a different perspective. What if the weight loss tips you've been following are outdated? What if the problem isn't your willpower or effort, but something deeper, something out of your immediate control? When you try to tackle weight loss directly, you're not getting to the root of the problem. There's always something else causing it. Weight is just a symptom of something else going on in your body. Now, you might have noticed that your metabolism is slow, right? You've probably thought about it, and it probably is slow. But what's causing this? See, we don't want to try to fix the slow metabolism directly with some pill or stimulant because there's a deeper reason why it's slow, and it's all about hormones. So, instead of just trying to treat the weight directly, we need to focus on strengthening the hormones, the missing piece of the puzzle. In this video, we're going to embark on a journey to understand how hormones can make or break your weight loss efforts. We'll explore the specific hormones that play a key role in weight regulation, and most importantly, what you can do to restore hormonal harmony and achieve sustainable weight loss. Get ready, because this video might just be the game changer you've been waiting for. Our bodies are home to a diverse cast of hormones, each with its own unique role to play. When it comes to weight, we can broadly categorize hormones into two groups: fat-burning hormones and fat-making hormones. Fat-burning hormones, like testosterone and growth hormone, rev up your metabolism, helping you burn calories more efficiently and build lean muscle mass. These hormones are your weight loss allies, working tirelessly to keep your body in a fat-burning state. On the other hand, fat-making hormones play a significant role in encouraging the storage of fat for future use. Think of them as the body's store signals, instructing it to retain excess calories as fat. Understanding and addressing the influence of these hormones is essential for effective weight management strategies. Let's kick off with the first hormone, insulin. Imagine your body as a storage warehouse. So, when you eat, especially foods rich in carbohydrates like bread or pasta, your blood sugar level rises. In response, your body releases insulin, which acts like a supervisor in the warehouse. Insulin signals your cells, the workers in this example, to start using the glucose for energy immediately. If there's still extra glucose after meeting the immediate energy needs, insulin directs the workers to store the surplus glucose as fat for later use, eventually leading to weight gain over time. It's like the supervisor instructing the workers to store excess supplies in the storage room. Having heard this, you now understand that identifying the factors that trigger or inhibit insulin production is crucial for effectively managing weight. Triggers include obvious ones like sugar and carbs. Another significant trigger is frequent eating, such as snacking and grazing throughout the day, as it constantly raises insulin levels. Inhibitors, on the other hand, need to establish a lifestyle centered around intermittent fasting, incorporating complex carbohydrates, ample proteins, and healthy fats. Additionally, resistance exercise significantly influences insulin levels by increasing muscle demand for glucose, both during and after workouts, aiding in better insulin management. Also, consuming a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar diluted in water after a meal help reduce post-meal blood sugar spikes. Here's a quick note about fats. Contrary to popular belief, fats don't stimulate insulin release. People often associate avoiding fat with a slow metabolism, but in reality, excessive insulin, not slow metabolism, is the issue. As long as you keep your carb intake low, consuming fat is not a problem and can even be beneficial for weight management. Now let's shift our focus to cortisol, frequently referred to as the stress hormone. When your body senses stress, it triggers the release of cortisol from your adrenal glands. Cortisol then signals your liver to release stored glucose, a form of sugar, into your bloodstream. This process is part of your body's natural response to stress, providing a quick burst of energy to deal with the perceived threat. However, if stress is chronic or ongoing, this mechanism can lead to sustained elevated levels of blood sugar. To deal with this spike, insulin steps in, moving the excess sugar into storage. Over time, this cycle can lead to insulin resistance, where your body needs more insulin to regulate blood sugar, leading to fat storage. So, in the presence of just a little bit of cortisol, it cancels out a lot of good stuff. It's kind of like if you had a really great day and everything went well, and then that one little negative thing happened that just ruined the whole day. To lower cortisol levels and aid in weight loss, several strategies can be employed. Firstly, regular exercise, particularly activities like walking, yoga, or stretching, can help reduce stress and cortisol levels. Adequate sleep is essential, aiming for 7 hours per night and establishing a consistent sleep schedule. Nutritionally, consuming foods rich in B vitamins, calcium, and potassium can support stress reduction. Additionally, minimizing exposure to stressful situations and incorporating pleasurable activities into daily life can help lower cortisol levels. Estrogen, primarily known for its role in female reproductive health, also plays a significant role in weight regulation. If your menstrual cycle is excessively heavy, long, painful, or irregular, chances are you're estrogen dominant. Too much estrogen can lead to fat accumulation in the hips, butt, and lower belly area, which can further increase estrogen levels. Additionally, environmental factors such as birth control pills, hormone replacement therapy, pregnancy, and estrogenic foods like soy can contribute to estrogen dominance. Now that you've uncovered the power of the 3 dominant hormones shaping our lives, you're ready to embark on your weight loss journey. Remember, this transformation isn't just about numbers on a scale, it's about nurturing a healthier, happier you. Be gentle with yourself and let perseverance be your guide. You've got this.